Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will tell you the best settings for your LG Ultragear gaming monitor to get smooth gameplay, great color, and fast response. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Press the joystick button under the monitor to open the menu. Go to picture mode, select the camera 1. This gives you good brightness, contrast, and response time. Step 2. Go to game adjust, set response time to fast or faster. Turn FreeSync or G-Sync on. This stops screen tearing. Set black stabilizer to around 50 for balanced dark area visibility. Step 3. Go to picture settings. Set brightness to around 80, contrast to 70, sharpness to 50. Color temp. Use warm or custom. Then tweak red, green, blue slightly for best color. You can adjust to your eyes or room lighting. Step 4. Set your monitor's refresh rate to the highest option like 145 or 165 inside your PC display settings or graphics card settings. Now your LG Ultra Gear is set for smooth, colorful, and sharp gaming. If you have any questions or want settings for a specific game, drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming setup tips. Thanks for watching.